Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can earn up to $600 literally for doing nothing with one simple app that works on iOS devices as well as Android devices, you guys. I'm also going to throw in there some bonus content of 3 different applications that you can install on your devices and start getting paid literally for doing absolutely nothing at all. You are going to love everything in this video, and I also want to throw in there a great big thank you to everybody that's been watching, supporting this channel, everyone that's liking these videos, dropping comments, and sharing them with their friends and their family so that they can start making money online too. Within the past couple of weeks, this channel has absolutely exploded. It's phenomenal, and I just want to say a great big thank you because it really means a lot to me. I want to get these videos out to as many people as I possibly can and help put extra cash in their pockets. And I want to reach everybody out there that wants to be an entrepreneur and absolutely change their life and start earning up to $10,000 a day if they wish as well, you guys, because I know what it's like to be exactly in that position. About a year ago, literally, I made a decision. I was looking for something on the web that could literally change my life, you know, a recipe that I could implement and follow and show me step by step exactly what to do so that I can make a significant amount of money online. Passive income, you guys. If you're interested in that, I'm also going to be sharing that in this video. So you're going to want to stick with me through the entire video so you can learn about all the value that I have packed right in this video for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. All right, you guys, let's get started making your first dollars online. Super excited to get this information out to you today. Been doing a lot of research, testing out a lot of different applications of how you can start making some money. So remember, I'm gonna have 3 bonus apps in here leading up to the one that pays you all the way up to $600 a year. So it's super important that you stick with me again through the entire video because I'm also gonna be sharing with you in this video my exact strategy that has set me free with passive income where you can work from anywhere in the world, you guys, get time back on your side and spend that with your friends, your family, with your, doing your hobbies, whatever you like, literally making a significant amount of money, up to $10,000 a month or more. The exact strategy that my mentors share with me step by step. I'm gonna be sharing that with you in this video. Understand one thing here, you guys. I want you to understand this. I know what it's like to be searching around on the internet, trying to figure out what's real, what's fake, and just get some honest integrity of somebody that could show me exactly what I needed to do so that I could create a significant amount of money online, life-changing amount of money where I could literally quit my 9-to-5. So that's going to be in this video. I'm gonna put it towards the end, you guys, but you're gonna want to stick around for that. So as promised, you guys, if you have not already done so, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, that you hit the bell notification, that you've crushed that thumbs up. That is super important. And make sure that you've dropped me a comment, even if you just type make money online. All of this helps to grow this channel, and it's extremely important because the information that I'm putting on this channel really means a lot to me in the sense that I want to help change as many people's lives as I possibly can and put extra money in their pockets. And I know right now there's a lot of people that could use that. So please share this on social media and get it out to everybody that you know so that we can help folks make some extra money online. If not, help change their life by creating their own online business where they never depend on a paycheck again. All right, you guys, now let's get started with these 4 different applications making some money online. You're absolutely going to love it. Now, coming in at our number 4 spot right here, we have the Make Money Free Cash app. I had to throw this in there as bonus content just because I love it so much, and so do a lot of other folks as well. As you can see, it's been rated by 583,483 people, roughly 5 stars right there. And what's really cool about this is you can make money with this application simply watching videos, taking short surveys, trying out free apps, and several other different small little tasks that they have on there. This one is not completely passive, but it's a great way to start making money online with one simple application. Now, the next 3 that we're gonna be talking about are completely passive. They require no effort on your part. So stick with me all the way to the very end because the last one, like I said, is gonna pay you up to $600 literally for doing absolutely nothing at all. Now, coming in at our number 3 spot right here, we have the Cash Magnet app, you guys. And what's really cool about this is you're gonna earn money literally passively in the background. All you need to do is install this application on your device. It's going to go out there and work passively for you on your behalf. No input required other than you installing the application. Now, how do you get to this website so that you can download it? Simply type cashmagnetapp.com into your browser. It brings you directly to the website that we're looking at right now. And like I said, you guys, there's not much to it. You literally install the application and it's gonna go out there and work all the best reward programs on your behalf for you, earning you money in the background. They have some of the highest payouts right here. They claim that in 2 months, in 2 months time right here, as you can see right here beneath this video, in 2 months time, you can earn enough money to buy a second phone. And by the way, this is a sweet tip right here. You can have up to 4 phones on one IP address working for you. So understand, the more devices that you have, you want to install the application on those as well, because it can go out there and quadruple the amount of money that you're making. I believe it's somewhere around $60 a month that you can make. One device can make anywhere to about $15 a month. So if you multiply that by 4, you're gonna be making up to $60 a month passively just having this app running on your devices. Now, I know that's not a ton of money, it's not life-changing, but it's some extra food on the table, maybe some clothes, maybe some gifts, whatever you want to spend that money on. But don't worry, because I'm going to be sharing with you in this video exactly how you can make a significant amount of money if you stick with me till the very end here. So as you can see right here, it's really, really cool. It's really, really safe. They guarantee that your data, your personal settings will not be used in any way. And it pays out in PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Google Play Store, iTunes, PlayStation, Xbox. So if you're into gaming and stuff like that, yo, check this out. Start making money online simply for visiting these 5 websites that you see right here above my head, you guys. And these aren't no stupid websites that a lot of people don't want to visit. This is stuff that you're spending a bunch of time on every single day. We're talking about Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Amazon, and Twitter, right? So 5 different applications that people spend a significant amount of time on. You might as well start getting paid for it, right? So how does this work? Literally, you just come to joinupvoice.com, the website that we're looking at right now. You're going to download the Google Chrome extension into your web browser, and then every time that you come visit one of these websites, we're talking about Facebook again, YouTube, LinkedIn, Amazon, and Twitter, you're going to start getting paid passively in the background, collecting points, and you can cash those points out for really cool gift cards, such as like Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, Nikes, Adidas, Walmart, you guys. I know I spent a ton of money at Walmart. You might as well start getting paid literally for doing things that you're doing every single day anyways, browsing the web. No special tasks or anything like that. These guys take your privacy very, very seriously. They anonymize all of the data. They talk about it right here on this web page. You can come up here to the privacy tab and click on that as well. I just want to take you down the page here so that you can see just what some of these folks are saying right here. What Deborah Ann Elliott says, she says, to be honest, I forgot I installed this, but I was surprised to get my first $10 gift card for doing nothing but surfing the internet. And then Sandra Amory over here, I just received my first $10 gift card from upvoice.com. I was amazed how easy it is to accumulate points with this extension. I like this a lot. So join upvoice.com right here, download the Google Chrome extension, and start making money online. And now last but not least, coming in at our #1 spot, we have this application right here called Current, you guys. And now what's really cool about this is they're going to pay you literally for just listening to music. I don't know about you, but I'm constantly listening to music, whether it's at work, whether it's in the car, whether it's before I'm going to bed. Several hours a day, I listen to music. You might as well be getting paid for it. Now also, before I knew about Current, I was paying up to $10 a month to listen to music, to have a subscription. Why not flip the script on these guys and start getting paid to literally just do something that you're doing every single day anyways that's enjoyable, right? Passive income right here. It's stupid simple. Why would you not be doing this? Now, what happens is you're going to be collecting points for the more music that you listen to, and you can cash this out in the form of gift cards, you guys. And we're talking about Walmart gift cards, Google Play, Adidas, Amazon, Target, PayPal gift cards. Now, if you think this is too good to be true, I promise you it's not. 231,167 people have rated this application right here in the Android marketplace. You can see right there almost a 5-star rating. This is available on iOS devices as well. That's why I say this till the end, you guys. Up to $600 literally for just listening to music. Are you kidding me? Right? This is a really cool way to make some extra money. Now, if you're still with me on this video, this is the best part of this video, you guys, because I promised you at the beginning I was going to share with you exactly what I'm doing to make a significant amount of money online. Understand one thing. Everything that we discussed in this video, these 4 different apps, they're a great way to make some extra money. It's a great side hustle to start making some money online. They're all legit, they all work, but they will only make you some extra money. Nothing significant, right? Nothing life-changing, nothing that's gonna help you quit your job, nothing that's gonna help you make, serious passive income where you can literally travel the world and do what's most important to you. If you want a life like that, then you need to do exactly what I'm doing online. Understand, this, you guys. I've been at it for 15 years trying all kinds of crazy, stupid businesses. You know, I got involved in real estate. I invested in tax certificates. I've been involved in different MLM businesses, if you're familiar with what that is, trying to chase around all my friends and family, selling them all kinds of crazy products that they didn't want to buy. Sometimes they would buy them just to support me, but eventually what ended up happening is a lot of people started avoiding me. And I don't want to see that happen to you. I don't want to see you waste your time. I don't want to see you waste your money. I want to get straight to the point, and I want to give you the program that literally set me free and point you to my mentor that literally showed me the process that you need to implement step by step to start your own online business that will literally set you free for life, earning you passive income, you guys. That's what this channel is all about. That's what this message is that I'm trying to get out to folks, because I don't want to see you for the rest of your life have to trade your time for money and work for a paycheck. I want you to literally create a business where you work for yourself that literally becomes a machine and works for you while you're sleeping. The real laptop lifestyle where you're sitting on a beach working if you so wish, right? As long as you have an internet connection, you can really do this. It does take some time to get started. You're not going to get rich overnight, but you can create a significant amount of money really, really quick if you're willing to focus and put in some work. All you need is the winning recipe. If you want the best results the fastest, all you do is go to somebody that knows exactly what to do. If you're gonna go to the gym, right, you would go get a personal trainer, someone that was all yoked up, that knew exactly what to eat to cut the fat, to burn all the fat, and to create muscle fast, right? They're gonna give you a program. They're gonna tell you exactly what to do every day. Eat this, right? Lift these weights, this many repetitions, and that's all you have to do to get the same success that other folks are getting. Is you just have to follow a proven plan. That's what I was after when I was getting started. I wanted a step-by-step plan that someone was gonna show me and take me by the hand and show me exactly what to do. If this is you today, and there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world right now. It's really scary, and you want to have an online presence. If you're not paying attention, the businesses that are skyrocketing right now, that don't have to worry about what's going on in the world right now, whether it's coronavirus, the pandemic, or just whatever is happening, are the ones that are online. Understand this, you guys, we're moving from the industrial age into the information age, and the folks that understand this and are creating their businesses online are the ones that are going to thrive. So how do you get started? Check out the link down in the top of the description of this video. It's my #1 recommendation. Now, once you do this and you get signed up, you're going to be brought to a page that looks like this. Now, what's really cool about this is they have this laid out for you step by step, you guys. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. And they're gonna tell you exactly what to do to start building your online business. It doesn't get better than this. This is the winning recipe right here. This is honest, this is truth, this is integrity. This gentleman right here that you're looking at is Mr. David Sharp. He's the one that started Legendary Marketer right here. Now understand this, this guy wasn't born rich. He literally almost died at one point when he was in his early 20s. He literally was a drug addict. I believe he was a sex addict. He slept on his dad's couch. And then he got involved in construction and was working in the hot sun in Florida. But he got involved with the right people, and he changed his mindset, and he got a winning recipe. And he literally lays out exactly what you need to do to copy his business model, his business plan, so that you can start making money online. He transformed his life. This guy makes millions of dollars time and time over, you guys. So much money, it's insane, and you can do the exact same thing. So if you get to this page right here and you're serious and you want to start creating your online business, the first thing that you want to do, and this is a game changer, make sure you're paying attention to me right here, is you want to come over right here and click on this schedule now button. Now, the reason that I say that is because this gets you set up with your mentor, someone that's actually going to talk on the phone to you and guide you through this entire process right here and get you started fast and show you exactly what you need to do. So I hope and pray literally that this video reaches as many people as possible, because like I said, you guys, I just want to change as many people's lives as I possibly can. That is what this channel is all about right here. And if you have not already done so, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, that you've hit the bell notification, that you've crushed that like button, that you've dropped me a comment, and that you share this video with your friends, your family. Put it out on social media, you guys, and encourage people to watch this so they can start making money online. That's all I have for you. I hope that you are doing well, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.